Hello, Adi. कोई आदरी टानो ना আমরা আইকিয়াতে আছি in IKEA garden. There is first time she came back. IKEA.
No, Audie's not. This is not Audie's first time.
It's not for this first time?
No, Audie went here before. With first time.
I don't open it. Leave it. Ayub, where is Aris? Aris, come. Abhi, where is Mommy?
Abhi, just sit there.
Hello. Is it your hand?
Yeah.
How many hands do you have? 3 hands? Well done. Well done, Mommy. You earn 1 hand.
Just bread and bucket.
Okay, take the spade and bucket.
Spade and bucket.
Take it.
Huh? What did it cost?
How much?
I don't know.
It
Should be fries should be on there.
And then I don't come. I'm bringing my phone.
Uh,
Come. No, I don't come.
hello, where have you been? Aris, you're too big for that. You're too big for that, Aris. You're inside?
Yes.
But you're too big. Okay, come out.
Wait, let me take a picture of me and Ayu first.
Ravi, you're sitting in the buggy. You can't walk. Tired. Okay, don't worry. We'll push you. How much the spade and bucket? Bye.